Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to bake a showstopper. We're about to make the most stunning blue velvet cake ever. This cake is legendary. It has drama and a gorgeous color. And the taste? Oh, the taste is pure velvet heaven. This simple recipe is perfect for beginners. It guides you step by step through baking like a pro. Get your aprons ready. Let's start baking. Are you excited? Let's gather our ingredients and get the party started. Okay, baking stars. Are you ready to embark on a delicious adventure? Before we begin our blue velvet journey, let's make sure we have everything we need. It's time to gather our royal ingredients, which will form the foundation of our masterpiece. You probably have most of these in your pantry already. For the cake, we'll need a few essentials. First, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This gives our cake its structure and stability. Next, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. This will provide that perfect sweetness we all crave. 1 teaspoon of baking soda is crucial. It's the secret to achieving a fluffy and light cake. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt. It enhances all those amazing flavors, making them pop. 1 cup, or 2 sticks, of unsalted butter, softened. This will give us a rich and tender crumb. More sweetness for the win. Specifically, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. 2 large eggs are next. They add moisture and richness, making our cake moist and delicious. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This little touch of magic brings everything together. 1 cup of buttermilk. It makes our cake extra soft and tender. 2 tablespoons of blue food coloring. Let's get that vibrant blue color that makes this cake so special. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This reacts with the baking soda for extra fluffiness. Now, for the cream cheese frosting, which is the crowning glory of our cake. 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Yum! Cream cheese is always a winner. 1 cup, or 2 sticks, of unsalted butter, softened. This will make our frosting creamy and dreamy. 3 cups of powdered sugar. This will make our frosting perfectly sweet and smooth. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Another dash of magic to tie it all together. Got everything? Awesome! Now, let's preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. And move on to the fun part, baking. Get ready to create something truly spectacular. Let's do this together. All right, baking champs. Are you ready to embark on a delicious journey? Today, we're diving into the world of blue velvet cake, a stunning and vibrant twist on the classic red velvet. Let's get started. Let's create the base for our masterpiece. Gather all your ingredients and tools. It's always best to have everything ready before you start baking. This way, you won't have to scramble for anything mid-recipe. First, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl. This dry mixture is the foundation of our cake, so make sure it's well combined. Set this aside for now. Next, in another bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This step is crucial as it incorporates air into the batter, giving our cake a tender texture. Take your time with this, and don't rush it. Beat in those eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This helps to create a smooth and cohesive batter. Then stir in that vanilla extract. The vanilla adds a lovely flavor depth that complements the cake's richness. Whisk together the buttermilk, blue food coloring, and white vinegar in a separate bowl. The buttermilk adds moisture and tang, while the vinegar helps to activate the baking soda, giving our cake a nice rise. The blue food coloring, of course, gives our cake its signature hue. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the buttermilk mixture. This means you'll add a bit of the dry mixture, then some of the buttermilk mixture, and repeat until everything is combined. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. This technique helps to ensure that the batter is well mixed without overworking it, which can make the cake tough. Mix until everything is just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can lead to a dense cake, and we want our blue velvet to be light and fluffy. Divide the batter evenly between two greased and floured 9-inch round baking pans. This ensures that the cakes bake evenly and are easy to remove from the pans later. Pop those bad boys in the preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Keep an eye on them as they bake, but try not to open the oven door too often, which can cause the cakes to sink. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This is a classic test for doneness and ensures that your cakes are baked through without being overdone. Once baked to perfection, let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is essential as it allows the cakes to set and makes them easier to handle. Patience, bakers, patience. We're almost there. Letting the cakes cool completely is crucial before frosting, as warm cakes can cause the frosting to melt and slide off. So take a deep breath, relax, and get ready for the next step in our blue velvet adventure. While our cakes are cooling, let's whip up that heavenly cream cheese frosting. In a large bowl, beat together the softened cream cheese and butter until smooth. Gradually add in the powdered sugar, beating until the frosting is light and fluffy. Stir in the vanilla extract. See how easy that was? Now, resist the urge to eat it all at once. We need it for the cake. Get ready for the grand finale. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. This is the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating, where all our hard work culminates in a stunning and delicious creation. Let the excitement build as we bring everything together for an unforgettable reveal. Our cakes are cool, and our frosting is ready. The anticipation is building, and the kitchen is filled with the delightful aroma of freshly baked cake. It's time to assemble this beauty. Gather all your tools and ingredients, and let's get started on creating a masterpiece that will impress everyone. Place one cake layer on a serving plate. Make sure it's centered and stable, as this will be the foundation of your cake. Top it with a generous layer of that luscious cream cheese frosting. Spread it evenly to ensure every bite is filled with creamy goodness. Gently place the second cake layer on top, aligning it perfectly with the first layer. Take your time to make sure it's just right. Using the remaining frosting, frost the entire cake. Smooth it out with a spatula, covering every inch of the cake for a flawless finish. Now, here's your opportunity to unleash your inner artist. This is your moment to infuse the cake with your flair, transforming it into a unique masterpiece. Let your creativity shine and make it truly unforgettable. You can leave it as is, which is already stunning. The simplicity of a well-frosted cake can be incredibly elegant. Unleash your creativity with some exciting piping techniques. Dive into the world of intricate designs and unique patterns that flaunt your skills. Whether it's colorful sprinkles, juicy fresh fruit, or any delightful decorations that inspire you, the possibilities are limitless, and each choice enhances the beauty of your creation. Whatever your heart desires, go for it. Step back and admire that stunning masterpiece you've crafted. Take a moment to soak it all in. Feel the pride in what you've accomplished. You've officially baked the most stunning blue velvet cake ever. Share it with friends and family and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations. Remember, sharing is a beautiful act of kindness. So, showcase your stunning blue velvet creation with pride. We bet you can't wait to dig into that gorgeous blue velvet cake. But first, snap a pic. Share your creation with us and everyone else online. Tag us on your social media posts so we can see and share your baking triumph. You can also upload your pictures right here in the comments below. Tell us all about your experience baking this cake. Did you add any fun twists? We can't wait to see what you all come up with. Don't miss out. Stay tuned for more thrilling adventures ahead. Don't forget to check back often for more delicious recipes and baking fun. We've got so many more tasty adventures in store, and we wouldn't want you to miss a single one. From cookies to pies to cakes of all kinds, we'll explore the world of baking together, one delicious recipe at a time. Are you ready for the next baking challenge? Thank you for watching. Before you grab a fork and dive into that blue velvet goodness, Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new sweet treat heading your way. All right, baking stars. What an incredible journey we've had today. Thank you for being a part of it. Now, unleash your creativity and whip up the most dazzling blue velvet cake the world has ever seen. We can't wait to see you wow everyone with your amazing baking skills. Get ready to impress. Until next time, happy baking.